Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoclose on the application of Truecaller. If we go to settings, here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about the application of Truecaller. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your